Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of not being able to log in through Fortnite or the server is unable to connect. First of all, you should check if Epic Games server are okay or not. So to check, you'll have to search for Fortnite server status or Epic server status. You'll see this website, go into this website, and here you will be able to see if all the servers are operational or not, as you can see here. So the next thing that you can do is you can launch your Epic Game Servers game launchers, and you'll have to go to settings, which will be by pressing on your icon, and then you'll see the settings button here. So press on that and you'll have to scroll down until you find Fortnite. As you can see here, Fortnite, you'll have to press to expand, and you'll have to tick this additional command line for agreements, and you'll have to type in -d3 d11. So after that, you'll have to close settings to save the settings. One last thing you can do is you can verify your game files. So simply press this three dot button on Fortnite, go to manage, and you'll see this verify files button. Press this one and it will take a couple of minutes to Epic Games to verify your game files. So hopefully this will fix your issue. That is all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.